Okay, so if you want filter water in your faucet, you don't have to go with a complicated and complex installation. You have basically with this instant filter water. So let me start by saying you're going to use these bands if you have a faucet like this and you want to put them around the faucet and connect it through here. Mine, the one that I'm installing, is more of like this. So I want to grab this and then connect it to the filter. So all I want to do is press here and press here, and then you see the way that it works is that you're going to hang it and then it's going to look something like this. So once I have that, it's going to go to 10 different layers that it shows here, the 10 different layers. And then instantly for your shower, you're going to have alkaline water and filter water, which is going to remove the harsh chemicals and substances that regular faucet household water has. So if you're looking for something healthy, for something that is good, then definitely try this filter. You won't regret it.